Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Happy April Fool's Day to everybody. I'm going to be recording a video today because I have not been feeling good, and I want to be able to edit any coughs or sneezes or anything nasty. The wind is blowing like crazy. We got snow falling in April, and but we're going to get a flight in with the E-flite T-28 and try to have a little bit of fun. I've been really wanting to fly, so let's get this thing in the air and try to have some fun. It is rolled backwards. The wind has blown it back. You can see the wind is coming straight out of the west there. So I've been kind of disappointed. This app for just your normal camera on my phone has been acting up. So hopefully this looks okay when we get done. Alright, I'm gonna move over here and put my back to the truck since I'm gonna take off and land that direction. Let's see, we'll go one click of flaps for a takeoff, and I'll leave safe off, throttle cut off, and then higher rates. All right, here we go. Still got the flaps on. When we get it turned around here, get the gear up, then I'll turn the flaps off. There we go, gears up. Flaps are off now. There's a little bit of blue sky over there. If I stop talking, it's because my throat started bothering me, and I don't want to cough a whole bunch. I don't want to have to do a lot of editing. Really slowing it down into the wind. Being careful not to go too slow downwind. Take it up into the loop. Back in the throttle coming out of that. So I am flying with the 4S 3200 Spectrum battery, and I have it centered on the tape, mounting tape. Ooh. Sorry about that. So, man, it was a pretty good flight today, even though we got snow coming down. Boy, it's picking up big, and all the clouds have rolled in. In fact, that's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the visibility has just dropped in that direction. But what a man, Mother Nature giving us an April Fool's joke today. Anyways, I just had a good time flying this new E-flite T-28 1.2 meter with retracts, flaps, smart telemetry, and all that good stuff. Guys, it'll be linked down in the description box. If you guys like these videos and you haven't done it yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me that thumbs up, and leave some great comments. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.